And on the other hand, excessive angiogenesis, too many blood vessels, drives disease, and we see this in cancer, blindness. Mother Nature has laced a large number of foods and beverages and herbs with naturally occurring inhibitors of angiogenesis.
Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned speaker, physician, scientist, and New York's best-selling author of the book, Eat to Beat Disease. Being the CEO and president of the global nonprofit Angiogenesis Foundation, Dr. William is an expert on the subject of diet, lifestyle, and treatments that help in disease fighting and maintaining a healthy body. His expertise has helped 50 million people throughout the world in the prevention, treatment, and reversal of cancer, obesity, diabetes, heart disease, chronic wounds, and vision loss. Transforming the medical field with his extraordinary knowledge and prowess, Dr. William started the How to Beat Cancer program, which now has expanded to over 40 countries. In this video, Dr. William will reveal his top 5 fruits that carry anti-cancer compounds, almost similar to cancer medications. Aside from starving cancer cells, these fruits also boost metabolism as they combat the bad body fat and let the good fat thrive. But that's just the beginning. We will also discuss one additional food that could easily shrink cancer cells, and you might already be using it in your meals. Watch this video until the end to find out. Before we get into the real deal, let's first have a look at cancer and how it thrives in the human body. Cancer is a group of diseases that occurs when the normal body cells become cancerous and multiply rapidly. Generally, the genes inside the body control the cell growth and multiplication through messages. Normal cells follow these instructions. However, the cancerous cells continue to grow rapidly, ignoring every instruction. While cancer is a genetic condition, it doesn't necessarily mean it will be inherited from one generation to the next. It rather takes place when genes that take control of cell activity change, giving rise to cancer clusters or tumors. The cancer cells from these tumors may also move to other body parts through the bloodstream. But one can prevent this from happening through Dr. Williams' 5 recommended anti-cancer fruits. Let's check out those fruits. The first fruit on our list is peaches. Summer peaches might be the best gift from nature. They are both soft and sweet and smell heavenly whether they are cooked or raw. But the game changer is that they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They offer several health benefits, including improved digestive health, heart health, immunity system, and fight against allergens. Peaches carry plant-based polyphenols and probiotics which help reduce body inflammation, which ultimately lowers the chances of chronic diseases like cancer. The 2 plant-based antioxidants present in peaches are carotenoids and caffeic acid, which have anti-cancer properties. According to research in test tubes and animals, the compounds found in peach seeds might prevent the growth of skin tumors by reducing the blood supply and stopping them from becoming cancerous tumors. Another research study showed the polyphenols in peaches slow down the growth and restrict the cancer cells from spreading to further body parts. In addition, polyphenols might also terminate the cancerous cells without harming the normal body cells. In an animal study, it was discovered that these polyphenols also reduced and lowered the spread of breast cancer. A research study conducted in humans showed that postmenopausal women who had 2 peaches each day had a 41% lower risk of breast cancer over the next 24 years. Research suggests that an individual would need to consume 2 to 3 peaches every day to achieve the required amount of polyphenols to beat cancer.
The peach actually comes from Asia. Actually was transplanted and transported along the Silk Road, and it's got chlorogenic acid. This is actually a bioactive that actually does a lot of things. It cuts off the blood supply to tumors. It actually helps to protect stem cells, your health defenses. Also good for gut health, and it's also got a good amount of dietary fiber.
Peach is one of the most favorite fruits of Dr. William since it is packed with several health benefits. He stated that peaches have chlorogenic acid, a bioactive compound that completely blocks the blood supply to tumors and is also a good source of dietary fiber. Besides, it has many nutrients and minerals. One big peach has around 68 calories, 2 grams of fiber, and 1.3 grams of protein. Furthermore, it has vitamin C and A alongside potassium. The next anti-cancer fruit is papaya. papaya has plenty of benefits, making it the fruit of the long life. Due to the same reason, it is one of the longevity superfoods, frequently consumed in the blue zones, where people live extraordinarily long lives. Some have even labeled it the #1 fruit eaten by the world's oldest living people. It is a tropical fruit with bright yellow or orange insides and black seeds. It is perfect for smoothies given its milky and buttery texture. Papayas contain a good amount of nutrients and antioxidants, which lower the risk of cancer. As per research, it carries compounds like lycopene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which may have anti-cancer properties. A 2022 research study discovered that lycopene has anti-cancer properties, which might combat prostate cancer. A 2020 study, on the other hand, suggested that zeaxanthin may terminate gastric cancer cells, and a 2018 study showed that lutein slows down the spread of breast cancer cells.
Now, papaya has been shown to actually lower the risk of lung cancer. Now, why is that? Well, that red color in papaya contains carotenoids, something called beta-cryptoxanthin and beta-carotene, and these actually are also anti-inflammatory, and you guessed it by now, you get the drift, it's actually anti-angiogenic as well.
Dr. Williams says papaya is an amazing tropical fruit that the majority of people don't know about. According to him, it isn't only a delicious fruit, but also a way to reduce the risk of lung cancer. The red color in papaya has carotenoids like beta-carotene, which are anti-inflammatory agents as well. Dr. William loves to have papaya for breakfast, especially for the fact that it has lesser amounts of sugar. Papayas are rich in vitamin C. One small-sized papaya has about 95.6 milligrams of vitamin C, which is the ideal required amount for both adult males and females. Other than that, one medium-sized papaya has 120 calories and 30 grams of carbohydrates, including 5 grams of fiber, 18 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of protein. Moreover, papaya offers copper, magnesium, vitamin A, pantothenic acid, folate, B vitamins, potassium, calcium, vitamin E, and fiber. Before we move forward, please note that this content is for informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the guidance of a qualified healthcare provider with any questions regarding your health or medical condition. The third fruit on our list is pomegranate. Pomegranates are round red fruits. They have white flesh inside that's full of crunchy, juicy, and edible red seeds. They might just be seen as something to use in juices given their bright color, but they come with many added health benefits. According to research, pomegranates are full of antioxidants like anthocyanins, hydrolyzable tannins, and punicalagins that help fight off the free radicals in the body. The high amount of free radicals in the body can trigger the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Another research suggests that pomegranates have anti-cancer properties. The research team at the University at Albany has found that the antioxidants that give red color to pomegranate carry the potential to alter breast cancer stem cells. Pomegranate extract from the skin of this fruit is rich in polyphenols. The professors at the university treated the stem cells with pomegranate extract in small quantities that turned out to be powerful enough to influence the cancer cells.
So what do we think actually is going on? Well, it turns out ellagitannins are anti-angiogenic. They cut off the blood supply to cancer. And in the case of prostate cancer, would make the prostate cancer harder, make it harder for them to actually grow and become more aggressive. Hence, we think this is actually why the PSA actually is able to be leveled off.
Furthermore, older research also discovered that pomegranate extract might be beneficial for prostate cancer. Dr. William has also suggested the same in his lectures. He says that ellagitannins, bioactive compounds present in pomegranate, can block the blood supply to tumors. According to a study conducted on men having prostate cancer, pomegranate juice can lower the levels of prostate-specific antigen, or PSA. Pomegranates have lower amounts of calories, but high fiber content. It offers a small amount of fats, proteins, and calories, but is rich in vitamin C, folate, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. If you are interested in finding out more about how pomegranate helps fight cancer, be sure to subscribe to our QuickTime newsletter. This way, you can expect to receive weekly tips and tricks to lead a healthy life and other lifestyle resources straight to your inbox. Red grapes are the next anti-cancer fruit on our list. People have been cultivating grapes for centuries, majorly because of their use in winemaking. Grapes can be a quick snack that can be enjoyed at home or on the go. Like every other fruit on this list, grapes are packed with nutrients and antioxidants, offering several health benefits. Furthermore, grapes also have antioxidants like anthocyanin, quercetin, and catechin, all of which might have anti-cancer properties. Test tube and animal studies have revealed that grape extracts may be capable of preventing the growth of colon and breast cancer cells. One more study suggests that people over 50 years of age who consumed 150 to 450 grams of grapes every day for 2 weeks showed a visible decrease in the markers of colon cancer risk. They also have a powerful antioxidant named resveratrol. According to research, resveratrol can slow down or stop the initiation of cancer in the breast, liver, stomach, and lymphatic system. Red and purple grapes carry the highest amount of resveratrol. Dr. Williams says that resveratrol in red grapes and red wine can inhibit abnormal or excessive angiogenesis by 60%. Angiogenesis is a process of formation of new blood vessels. However, sometimes this process speeds up or slows down due to several different reasons. Excessive angiogenesis can result in cancer formation.
So let me show you what happens when we put in an extract from red grapes. The active ingredient is resveratrol. It's also found in red wine. This inhibits abnormal angiogenesis by 60%.
Grapes overall are high in copper, potassium, manganese, vitamins K, B1, B2, B6, C, and E. It is recommended to consume a handful of grapes daily as a snack or in a salad. The last fruit on our list is strawberries, queen of fruits. Strawberries have a bright red color, pleasant aroma, perfect juiciness, and texture. Additionally, strawberries are packed with powerful antioxidants that may be able to combat chronic diseases including cancer. They contain anthocyanin, a powerful anti-cancer antioxidant. Studies show that strawberries might be anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and chemopreventive. If a fruit has chemopreventive properties, it means it will eliminate the cancer entirely. A 2022 study involving animals discovered that strawberry consumption alongside other treatments may shrink the tumor of esophageal cancer. Ellagic acid and ellagitannins found in strawberries may stop the growth and expansion of cancer cells. Dr. William said in a lecture that ellagic acid from the fruit effectively inhibits the angiogenesis causing cancer.
Here's what happens when we add an extract from strawberries. It potently inhibits angiogenesis.
Strawberries consist of 91% water content, 7.7% of carbohydrates, 0.3% of fats, and 0.7% of protein. They also contain sugar, fiber, vitamin C and B9, potassium and manganese in large quantities, and iron, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, vitamins K, E, and B6 in lower amounts. These were the top 5 fruits recommended by Dr. William, ideal for starving cancer cells and eliminating inflammation. But there's one more food or ingredient that we add to our dishes on a daily basis, that is tomato.
Of a food, half cup of 2 to 3 times of cooked tomato. So a half cup of tomato sauce on a whole wheat pasta is not very much sauce. Okay, so that's all you need. That frequency of cooked tomatoes has been shown to lower the risk of developing prostate cancer by 29%. And in those men who did develop prostate cancer, those men who ate more cooked tomatoes had fewer blood vessels feeding their cancer, because tomato has lycopene that cuts off the blood supply, anti-angiogenic, mows the lawn so you don't have too many weeds growing up, and that when you looked inside the cancer, fewer blood vessels, less aggressive.
That's it. If you want to know more about tomatoes and their health benefits, watch this next video.